Hello Math 152 students. In this video, we'll take a look at getting started with Chapter 4. I have the ebook pulled up, and for the outline of the chapter, I want to point out that 4.1, 4.2, and 4.3, to me, all fit together with the concept of linear regression. We'll start off in 4.1 talking about correlation in R-values, and then tie that into finding a linear regression or least squares regression line. And then 4.3 talks about an R-squared, or the coefficient of determination. 4.4 is a little bit different in the type of data they give you. Rather than a data table with two variables, like a column of x's and a column of y's, they give you a two-way table or a contingency table. And the way we treat that data, or the way we can handle that data, doesn't allow us to do the same things we did in 4.1, 4.2, and 4.3. So I think about 4.4 as being a little bit separate, and 4.1, 4.2, and 4.3 fitting together more nicely. So my main advice for Chapter 4 is, as you're going through, make sure you're utilizing technology, particularly StatCrunch. Your book will show you how to do the R values by hand, so will the slides, but I will encourage you to do R values and regression lines on StatCrunch, and also the R squared in 4.3. So please make sure you check out those embedded videos for the StatCrunch help. Look in the technology step-by-step gray boxes, particularly if you're going through the PowerPoints. Alright guys, so that'll wrap up this video. I will see you guys in the discussion boards. Thanks.